swimming, all those things.
I'm Brett Schiller. I like sports, outdoors, basically anything, whatever comes up, that's what I like to do. Yeah, it's so we're doing interpretive dance. Do you know what that is? It's just not my thing.
Interpret, like, what is that? Like, really? Interpret? Dance? Isn't that all what dancing is? Like, you interpret? Now we have a specific interpret to dance.
So, I play football.
That's good. We can work with that, maybe. Let's see it. I do soccer.
Soccer?
Yeah, soccer.
You work with that.
Soccer. I will interpret soccer and dancing.
So, you just interpret what Sarah is saying. We are very excited about dancing. That's what she's trying to say. We're excited.
Well, I was born in Salt Lake City, and then I moved to St. George when I was 3. I've lived here ever since. I'm 18 years old. I play volleyball for Snow Canyon High School, and I'm a 3-time state champ. And that's about it.
I was born in Salt Lake City. I moved to Cedar City, and then I moved to Las Vegas City, then moved to St. George City, where I am today. I love sports. I love football and track, and I want to help people in my student body. Well, it all started at 7. I went to Ireland to play in the National Ireland Bagpipe Parade, and bagpipes is what it's all about. It's like, dude, I'm good at it. So that's where I found this group.
When I caught my eye, I just had to.
Yeah, she found me.
Well, I was jig for a living since I was little. And I lived in Ireland my whole life. And I saw him and I was like, I have to grab you and I have to teach you how to Irish jig. Why we're so passionate about Irish jig is that, well, it's lucky for one. And it always brings me really closer together and happiness.
We had to get a coach. We weren't just kind of, just doing it on our own, but we're used to doing the Ireland and some of the moves on the island in America. So we hired.
One of my close friends, Jody Alpine, she helped us with what I consider celebrating for America. So she has been helping us.
About the competition here, it's just that we're lucky. We're the luck of the Irish.
people that are very good dancers, but we are not the Irish and we will win this competition.
I'm Chanel Lenz. I'm 17, 18 on Sunday. I love to play sports and dance, and to be with my family and do anything outdoors. Yeah, that's my life.
Hey, I'm Kyle Rogley. I'm 18 years old. Moved here to St. George from Denver, Colorado when I was like 4. I like to play guitar and write music with my friends. And yeah, pretty much everyone. That's it.
I actually saw Kyle when I went to a concert. He was in the band and he was playing his guitar, and then all of a sudden just chucked it and then just started breakdancing out of nowhere, and I was like, man, I want to dance like him.
True story.
And so we just became partners and danced ever since. And that's what it's like.
We were on the dance floor, we just played, you know.
I was like year 16, I think. So, we chose Broadway because it's entertaining and it's fun, and there's a lot of energy that's put into it.
Yes. True story.
We saw this clip. I just knew it was the one. Because you can't stop our beat.
You can't really. Yeah, I watched it, I just realized. It's
the best line of the whole. It's awesome. I should watch this.
I'm really stoked for my life. So much dance and get on stage and show off our talents, you know. We're with you now. I would have chosen a different party. So.
When I found out it was a competition, I was so excited because I knew that we had it back. And you can't stop our beat.
Yeah.